Hello, good morning, and it's actually 6:28 or June 28th. So I didn't manage to record yesterday, so I will just say what are the things that I did. So after I after we finish the Sound Euphonium, I actually watch a bunch of video essay. So there's this video, particularly a 1 hour video of breakdown of the season 3, because it's really a one of a kind anime, because you follow the characters from season 1 as a first year, season 2 as the first year, and then a bunch of movies for their second year, and then the season 3 for their third year. And it really pays off the character growth of the main character Kumiko, because at first, especially the season 1, she's apathetic of the result that they have with this orchestra, and then up until the 12th episode of the season 1, she wants to continue to improve. And then the season 2 was a tad bit more dramatic, which is, my brother says that it is one of the best part of the whole series, or whole the story. But I think I really didn't like it that much compared to season 1, where we see the exponential growth of Kumiko as a character, where she wants to continue to improve. There's this drive, and then there's this realization that, the her friend was disappointed on their outcome from the middle school choir or orchestra, um, wind instrument something. And then when it's actually, or when she experienced that kind of frustration, the kind of things that the main character, or the best friend of the main character on the first episode, that's when he or she realized that, this is how she felt back then. And also the season 3 was really good, although I was expecting a graduation episode for the last episode, and then a little bit more dramatic ending. But I think it's really good. It made me want to know more about the characters, or what happened, as well as how they explore the whole idea of the hard works, struggles, and passion.